Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to search everything using Listary on your Windows PC. Whether you're looking for files, folders, applications, or other items, Listary helps you find them in just a few seconds. Let's get started. First, make sure Listary is installed and running. You'll see its icon in the Windows system tray. To open the search window, simply press the *Control*** key twice. The Listary search box will appear instantly. Now start typing what you're looking for. You can enter the name of a file, folder, document, image, video, or even an installed application. Listary searches as you type and displays matching results immediately, so there's no need to wait for a long search to finish. If multiple results appear, use the up and down arrow keys to move through the list. When you find the item you want, press *Enter* to open it instantly. This works for files, folders, and applications, making it much faster than searching manually in File Explorer or the Start menu. Listary also supports partial searches, so you don't need to remember the complete name of an item. Just type a few letters, and Listary will try to find the best matches based on your input. To improve your search experience, keep Listary running in the background and organize your files with meaningful names. This makes searches faster and the results more accurate. With Listary, you can quickly access almost anything on your computer from a single search box, helping you save time and work more efficiently every day. That's it. You now know how to search everything using Listary on Windows. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more helpful Windows guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.